What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kia, and I am back at it again with another video. And we are doing a video for Yolissa Hair. We got us a body wave unit. She's 24 inches, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, she's 24 inches. She's body texture is body wave. She's also 200% density. She's a 13x4 HD lace front wig, and she is lit. If you are following me on Instagram, the unit that I wore when I was just in Atlanta for New Year's, this is her. I got so many compliments on her. So I did end up dyeing her jet black off of camera. But I feel like that's what really makes you a really, really bad bee, is jet black hair. But aside from that, I'm going to show you how to do my big body curls. So depending on the look that you are going for, it kind of dictates how thick you want your curling iron to be. For a more curled look, you will want to do, smaller curling irons. But like the bigger ones, it gives you like a voluminous look. And I would say like an inch and a half to about 2 inches is like a good curling iron for like the full glam Victoria's Secret body, voluminous hair look. But whichever one you decide to use, just make sure you are letting your curls set, because it's gonna, make your look be a little bit more polished. And I use these, they're called duck clips, just to let my curls cool down, and it's definitely gonna last longer. Even if you are not, going for the curly look, your volume will last a lot longer if you let the curls set. I didn't show you how I pluck the front of this or bleach the knots, but I've done that in several other videos, so you'll be fine. And also, the lace definitely makes or breaks a perfect wig install. I feel like I definitely got the perfect wig install because it was phenomenal lace. Like HD lace, I'm really gonna only start accepting HD lace wigs because it definitely makes a huge difference. So this is me when I was all done. I'm just going to spray her with some spray, some shine spray. There's really no time limit as to how long I let my curls set for. I just make sure that the hair is not hot before I'm taking the clips out, just so I can ensure those curls are locked and loaded, sis. So once that's done, we're going to just take the clips out, and I like to run my fingers through it to give my desired look. Another step you do not want to miss is hot combing your lace. So I'm going to take this slick stick from Care and I'm going to put it on the middle part and the edges of the wig. This is to help the hot comb just grip the hair a lot better and silk it out. I just want y'all to look at this lace. And this is before I even melted her. Literally, she's not even glued down and she looks amazing. So if you didn't know the difference between HD lace and just regular lace, look at my hairline and you'll be able to find out. For this install, I didn't want nothing too dramatic on the hairline, so I didn't do that much to the baby hairs. I wanted to install it with the Got To Be Free spray, but it wasn't giving me the hold that I feel like it should. I feel like the free spray is good for like touching your wig up, but not actually installing it. I mean, I guess it'll be nice if you're not doing a long-term install, but I just find it doesn't really last that long. So on the edges, I did decide to do the regular Got To Be gel. After that, I just did a little bit to the hairline. I wanted it to look very wispy and as natural as possible. And this is how it came out. I love the curls, the color, the lace, the wig, the thickness, everything. This wig is literally my favorite at the moment. If you did want to pick up this wig, everything on her is going to be in the description box down below. Thank you so much to Yolissa Hair for working with me, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!